I did not get that many rejections from what I could recall and I could remember. I mean, it's been a while already.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's been like almost 30 years now. So
A long time.
what I could recall, but what I do remember was that I got more cars that I could handle on my own, and I learned the power of leverage. So because I had too many cars for my own, I started hiring my friends to wash for me. When they were washing, I became the sales guy, and I was the one going to the doors, knocking there, because I lived in the building, and two of my friends did not live in the buildings. So of course, I would say, look, I live here, and I wash your car. I'm going to wash it cheaper. This is the way that we do it, and I'm going to leave it nice and clean. And I had more cars than I could handle, so I had my friends working for me. So that's when I learned the power of leverage, and I also learned that I don't like doing the dirty work, that I could hire somebody else to do the dirty work while I kind of do the cool work and I still make the same amount of money.